Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about how to install mods in the Inzoi game. It is pretty easy process, but I wanted to discuss a couple of things that might be confusing for some. First things first, we have to enable mods. So you're going to click on options. Then on the left hand side, you're going to click on mods. And then for enable mods, you're going to click on this little arrow and click on. Then click on apply and then apply again. Now on the left hand side menu, it's going to say mods. You can click on that and it will take you into the CursegForge integrated mods section of your game. Now on the top, you have the menu and you can click on browse mods and you can search through all the mods available by category. And the categories that it includes are build mode, mods, and Inzoi. In build mode, you're going to find anything that you're going to need for your builds. So furniture, rugs, anything like that. In mods, you will find more gameplay mods. So changing the color of the vehicle, staying hydrated, etc. And in Inzoi is where you're going to find all the hairstyles and outfits for your Zoi creations. And they also have a subcategory that you can narrow down the search by outfits, tattoos, hairstyles. I'm going to pick hairstyle here and it narrowed down to all the hairstyles available. You can also do outfits and it's only going to show you the outfits. There's also a sorting menu so you can sort your search. And on the right top hand side, you can search by creator or items if you're looking for something in particular. And this is one of my favorite creators, Jarus. And I'm going to select this dress and I'm going to install it. So you just click on it and click on install. It's going to say here successfully installed. So that means this is now in my game. To go back to the search, you click on that back button and you can click here in the install mods to see all the mods that you have installed in your game. If an arrow that looks like it's going in a circle shows up here, that means it needs updating and you just click on that and it will update that particular mod. If you want to disable it, you just click here and it will show on the right hand side. And to enable it again, you just click on it again. Now, if you want to uninstall all, you can click on this button on the bottom right hand side and it would uninstall all your mods. Now, in the section that says my mods, this is only for creators. So if you don't create anything, it will not show anything here. Now let's click on the back button and go into game. Now, as you can see here, the mods will show up in any of the categories that you downloaded, but most dresses and bathing suits will show up in sets. And they will show all the way at the bottom of the list. As you can see here, that's where all my mods that I have installed are located. Now let's apply that dress I just downloaded, which is this beautiful asymmetrical one shoulder cutout mini dress. And now you can just customize it any way you like. You can change the color, you can add texture. Some outfits don't allow you to customize them, so just be aware of that. But all of the ones from Jarus do. So that's why I love this creator so much. Now let's go into build mode. Now in build mode, same concept. You click on the category of the item you downloaded. In this case, is a table. And it will show up at the bottom with that little mod logo. Once you place your item, now you can customize it any way you like. Again, some furniture or build items are not customizable. So just make sure you look into that. But this table here, as you can see, I can change it any color or shade that I want. And that's it. That's how you install mods in Inzoi. It is very easy to do. Now, there are other mods from nexusmods.com, but those are a little bit more complicated and it does require for you to go into folders and it's a lengthier setup. But I love these. These are great. But thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.